Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sell Shop, and in this video I'm giving you a complete detail for the ad product. This is the same product, and I'm giving you a ad qualities you can easily purchase him, how you can purchase, and what are the price, and what are the delivery time, and then many things. So first number I am open this category. This is the name is Waterdrop and water filter, the same name product. You can easily purchase this product, and the price is $212, and this is seller from the Pakistan. And what is the color is, you can see this is a color, and many things. So this is the first number product, and the quality I give you many qualities. You can easily purchase this. So number second is this is product available on Amazon.com. So don't worry, I am giving you a link in description. You can easily purchase this product. So number second is product is this is a different quality. The product is same. So this is a water filter, and this is the price is 299. So you can easily purchase this. This is a good product. You can see the water filter is basically key cleaner the water. Many germs are around in the waters, and how you can drink the water. So water filter is a good to clean the water, and you can easily drink the water. So third number is product is this is, I think this is the product. So water filters, this is the price is $349. This is a price, and you can easily purchase here to card and buy now. And number fourth is product. This is the product, and this is the images. You can see the images are not available. So this is the price is $215, and okay. So number five number product is available on AliExpress. AliExpress is a e-commerce website, same on Amazon.com. So this is the best website. You are not comfortable on Amazon.com. You are not comfortable on AliExpress. So you can choose any website, and you easily purchase this product. Don't worry, I am giving you a link in description. You can easily purchase this product. So the price is $289. Price. This is the product, and here you can see this is a free shipping and a delivery, and many more. So number six number product. This is the product. Yes, this is the. You can see this is the product, and the price is 200. So the last number is product is this is the same product. This is a video, the complete video for the water coolers. This is a $3.44. This is the price, and 76% off. So you can easily this is a USB chargers, and many gadgets he's give you a so a safety payment, and payment method, and security. I think this is a website, good websites. So same fees return and many things. So this is the buy button. So all the products I am give a link in description. You can easily purchase the product. So thank you so much for the see this video.